This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sharon Alexander. Beautifully remodeled home backing up to Sunrise Park West / incredible views and direct access. Spacious great room floor plan west / a large living room including hardwood floors and a wood burning fireplace. Custom kitchen west / maple cabinets, granite counters and a gas range. Formal dining room west / a slider out to a covered deck, fully fenced yard, fire pit and a studio with a separate electric circuit and insulated sheetrocked and finished inside. Family room can be 4th Bedroom.RV parking too. This home is special. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Alexander at 503-666-2020.